Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I'll be telling you all about jade plant. Do you know jade plant is known as the luckiest plant for the house? As it brings prosperity and good luck for your houses. We have already uploaded many videos about jade plants. But in today's video, I'll be telling you how you can take care of your jade plant in late winter. We have many jade plants that we have propagated from stem cutting. It's their health right now. So keep on watching to know how we take care of these jade plants. First thing we are going to do is that we are going to remove all the unnecessary branches from the jade plants. This is the best time to do some hard pruning. The hard pruning will help the plant get many lateral branchings. It also helps the plant to get more bushier and healthier. And after the pruning the stems that you get, you can easily grow new plants with these stems. Only requirements that you need for planting a new plant is that make sure to just keep the leaves off the tips and cut off all the leaves of its downer part. And then just plant it. No additional care is needed for growing the plants. After removing the excess branches, my mom got them ready for repotting. For repotting, we need soil preparation. Let's see how my mom prepares the soil. My mom is using garden soil as well as tea leaf compost. Tea leaf compost contains lots of nitrogen. After that, my mom added a little bit of kitchen waste compost, which supplies the micro and macronutrients for the plants. And after that, in the end, my mom added lots of sand. As jade plant is a succulent plant, make sure that the soil does not retain any kind of water. Sand will help with that. Did you notice how my mom planted the plant? After preparing the soil, my mom added a stone. After that, she added the jade plant. The stone will help the roots to not overgrow. After that, simply water your plants. If you want to know anything else about jade plants, we have lots of videos on this, so you can go and watch them. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.